Remove the 2 placement medium stones from under the trapezius and take 2 new medium stones in preparation for the massage routine. Apply oil to the area and begin introducing the heat from the stones. When the stones have reached a comfortable working temperature, and using the flat of the stones, begin with effleurage to the pectoral muscle. Moving around the deltoid muscle to the trapezius muscle, up to the occipital bone, and then back around to the pectoral muscle. Repeat this 2 more times. Using the edge of the stones, and with small circular movements, perform petrissage to the pectoral muscle, working your way to the deltoid muscle, trapezius muscle, and back around to the pectoral muscle. And repeat. Still with the edge of the stones, work deeper into the shoulder joint and around to the trapezius, placing the stones under the trapezius to finish.